Parrots are fascinating birds with many interesting qualities. Here are 3 intriguing facts about them. Number 1. Mimicry masters. Parrots, especially African gray parrots, are known for their remarkable ability to mimic sounds, including human speech, thanks to their advanced vocal organs and complex brains. Number 2. Parrots are among the longest living birds, with some species like macaws and cockatoos living for several decades, often exceeding 80 years in captivity. This longevity is due to their adaptability and stable environments in captivity. Number 3. Zygodactyl feet. Parrots have specialized feet with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward, giving them excellent grip and agility for grasping objects and climbing.